I'm starting to think I'm bad luck.
All right, guys. We are gonna bait these pots. Got these bait cages, and I'm gonna bait them up for our crab pots that we're gonna be dropping out in the ocean. Stuff is still frozen. Guess it didn't really hurt anything. This is old salmon carcasses from last fall. Throw that in one. Since we're going to be out in the ocean and it won't get messed with today, put that up in here. If it'll fit. Yeah, it should fit. Cram it in there. It should fit. Oh, look at all that juicy goodness. See if I can break this stuff apart. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another one baited up.
I think Joe is starting to think I'm bad luck too. But anyhow, welcome back, guys. Headed to the ocean for the second trip, my second trip this year, Joe and Heidi's first trip. Miss Heidi, Miss Joe,
Miss Joe,
Mr. Joe, and we're gonna head on out. It's a beautiful morning. Got 4 crab pots baited up. You saw me baiting them a little earlier, and yeah, gonna go dump these off and hopefully go get some lingcod and be back in by about noon or 1 o'clock, because there's going to be a pretty big ebb tide coming out, make the bar crossing a little sketchy. So that's the plan for today. Stick around. Go a little bit faster. Perfect, right there. Well, that rope wasn't tangled yet. Number 1 in. Number 2 in. Number 3.
yeah, we're pretty close, right on the mark.
Let's go fish. All right, we got us a problem. Our engine light keeps coming on. We're not sure why, because it's like it's overheating, but it's when it's idling and when we're running, it's got the stream of water coming out the side, so I'm not sure what's going on. Honda's not like that. So we're not sure what's going on, but I don't know if we're gonna get any fishing done today or not. We will see. We'll keep you updated. All right, we have decided that we don't feel like being out here with a bad motor, so we're gonna head in. No fish were caught. We still got 4 crab pots to pull. We can go for a little bit, everything's fine, and then the water temperature light comes on. I think it's probably just either a stuck thermostat or bad sensor somewhere, but don't want to chance it out here, so cut this trip short. Seems like that's all I do this year. There's Ty Stutzman right there, that boat right there. There, the light just came on again. All right, well, we're gonna work our way back, get the crab pots, and we'll keep you updated. We might not have fish, but we're gonna make a good attempt at getting some crabs. Joe get his fancy schmancy out here, and Heidi's gonna throw me over deck. And got a little kicker working. To our pots yet. All right, wish us better luck than we've had all day. Let's see what we got.
Grace wants crab. We got
Here it comes. It's got stuff. Little guys and females. There's one keeper. One keeper, maybe. Oh, we got a sand dab. I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
There's a sand dab up in here. Sitting on the pot. Got sucked up with it. Alright, I'm gonna sort these out. No, we got two. We got two keepers, maybe. This little guy needs to go away. He's probably not feeling the best. Come here, Sam Debbie. Go away. Where's your gauge? Way big. There you go. Big
Hey,
enough.
Heidi, I'm gonna put you back in forward.
So we got two keepers. That's it. All right, pot number 2. Got 2 keepers out of the first one. This turned into a crabbing video instead of a fishing video, but that's all right. You'll have them days too. Here it comes.
They've been consistent. We've got a couple big ones in here.
Only one keeper though. Maybe, yeah. Maybe 2. No, I think the rest are all females. We got a lot of females. Alright, let's see what we got.
That's not what we typically get up here.
Did you kick her in neutral or in drive, I mean?
Okay, Heidi, I'm putting you back in drive.
Okay.
So that's a keeper. That one got eaten a little bit right there. It's still a keeper. That's one. Female, you're not allowed to keep females. It's got the white apron there, you can tell. Female, female, female. These are nice docile females. All the rest are females. One more keeper. We only got 3 keepers in 2 pots. Number 3 of 4. Here it comes. Hey, there's more males in here, but
Okay, Heidi, I'm putting you
as far as 24, I don't think. I thought there was more males in there. I thought I saw, I know there's one. Nice big keeper. Ah, is that a male? It is the one hanging on the side.
Yep.
It is? thought that looked like a male from here.
Definite female.
Alright. I know there's one male.
Pretty darn solid.
Well, I thought they were. Yeah, right here. This one. He's barnacled. Let's see if he's a keeper. Yeah, it is. He ain't got very many legs. He's beat up, all beat to Hobbs. He's been fighting. Yeah, that can go in there. Just one in that pot, so we got 4 total.
You guys ready?
Little bitty sea snails down there.
Ready?
Yeah, we're getting there.
Well, we're getting here.
We're
too.
getting there. Don't panic, Heidi. It's just a crab pot.
What are you doing? Better get it.
Last crab pot. Oh, see if we got anything in it. That end thing isn't turning again, or is it? Maybe it is. Here
Yeah,
it
it was
is.
this one here that was.
Oh, there's a male.
Oh, the female's out here.
Yeah, it is.
I'm putting you back in here and giving you throttle.
That's the only male, and it may be a keeper. I'm not sure.
So how
We'll
you
find out.
want to get on track and start heading back in?
Give her some guns so she can go. Is it a keeper? Yeah, just barely, but it's a keeper. That first notch there is what we can keep. Make sure there's no more males in there, but I think they're all females. This one can go in the box. I'm pretty sure the rest are all females. Got that little kicker just kicking, trying to get us in. We're almost in. That buoy right there is 1 mile from the jaws. Got another mile to go. Well, if you made it this far, you know our day didn't go as planned, but I'm starting to think I'm bad luck, because the last video I made was of my wheel bearing going out, and now today we got a heat problem on the motor. So I think Joe is starting to think I'm bad luck too. But anyhow, we did what we could. We got a few crabs. What did we get, Joe? 5 or 6? 6, I think. 6 in 4 pots. Not great, but we got them. And washing the boat up, ready to head on back. So I appreciate you guys coming along, and hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and come back for more next time. I'll catch you on the next one.